The future is already here, and it's getting smarter every day. But as artificial intelligence evolves, faster than anyone predicted, one question haunts us all. Will AI take over the world? Right now, AI is everywhere. It recommends what you watch, what you buy, even who you date. But that's just the beginning. Experts predict that by 2045, we could reach the singularity, a point where AI surpasses human intelligence. Imagine an intelligence millions of times smarter than the greatest human minds combined. It could cure diseases, solve climate change, but what if it decides humans are in the way? Some scientists, like Elon Musk, warn that AI could become the greatest threat to humanity if left unchecked. But others believe it could be our greatest ally. So which is it? Savior or destroyer? Governments and tech companies are in a secret race, developing AI stronger and smarter than ever before. But who's really in control? And what happens when AI starts making decisions we can't understand? Could a machine wake up and decide it no longer needs us? The age of AI is no longer science fiction, it's reality. The question is, how far will it go? And when the machines rise, will they serve us or replace us? What do you think? Is AI our greatest invention or the beginning of our end? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned because the future is closer than you think.